What's up? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about MPC Sample Sidechain, right? So people have said in the comments that, yeah, an MPC Sample has sidechain. And I say not quite. Let me explain. Typically what sidechaining is when one instrument makes the volume of another instrument go down. So let's look at the MPC sample and let's implement sidechaining into the sequence, and I'm going to show you how it sounds on the MPC Live II. And let's see if you can hear the difference. All right, so I got the MPC sample on the desktop, and I'm going to play for you and demonstrate what sidechaining is on the MPC sample. So you could say that pad is a little too loud, but what we could do is we can go to knob effects and turn it on, and I have it set for the pumper effect, and it gives you that effect. So that sounds like sidechain, but it's not actually sidechain. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that I just want to kind of convey why I say that it needs actual sidechain and not just a pumper effect that you can apply to sounds in rhythmic time. So now I will demonstrate sidechaining on the MPC Live III. Let's go back to the desktop. Okay, don't be alarmed. It's just an MPC Live III. I did the same exact sequence on the Live III. Okay, but we still hear those pads sort of overwhelming. I wanted to make them obvious so you could hear the effect. So I'll go to the Mother Ducker plugin right there for this pad. And I'm also going to do it for this pad as well. Scrolling down to the MPC effects, Mother Ducker, all there, okay? But there's one more part we need to do. We need to add the input on that. So we go there. Scroll down to Mother Ducker input. Now we should hear the pads duck according to the kick. Hear it duck. Let me play it for you again on the MPC sample. And now on the MPC Live III. Okay, MPC sample. And now on the MPC Live III. So as you can see, you do hear a sidechain-like effect on the MPC sample, but true sidechaining, in my opinion, takes place when one instrument makes another one duck down. That's in audio engineering, beat making, whatever. So I hope that helps clarify what sidechaining is, or at least what I think sidechaining is versus what's happening on this MPC sample. So it's not a bad thing. I'm not mad at it, but I don't consider it actually sidechaining. And as always, if you think I missed something or messed something up, feel free to let me know in the comments. Or if you have a difference of opinion, feel free to respectfully share that too. I'm not going to be mad at that. It's okay. My intentions here are to help, inspire, and make music. If you're curious about the MPC sample or even the Live III, let me know in the comments below. I like talking about this gear. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Give me your feedback. Let's go from there. See you guys for the next video.